Yo, this is what we got going on today, guys. So we're in the garage. Trying to get the little guy back running. Oh, let me get up. Oh. Trying to get the little guy. So, this is what we got going on. Dead battery. You know the vibes. So, give me a little. Yeah, she don't want to start. So, what do? You start checking things. Here we got the fuel. So what I just did was I just pulled the fuel line off leading to the carb, and you guys can see, where the fuck is it? There's the fuel line. And we got fuel when I put the fuel on. So we got fuel going to the carb. Next thing I'll do, probably check spark, compression, and yeah, we'll go from there. I might do the fast and dirty way with the spark test, or maybe I'll be a bad guy and pull out the Pico scope and be a real professional. But we'll see. All right, I'll let you. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. What do we got here? You're gonna see this first time, just like me. Oh no, what is that? What is this? What do we got going on here, man? The Mickey Mousing. The Mickey Mousing begins. I bought this thing as a no start. The guy said it would start, you know, here and there, everywhere, every once in a while. And, man, I just got so much shit on my plate. I never have time for this fucking shit, but I'm honestly trying to get away from cars. I say that. I mean, I do like cars, but they're the bane of my existence. Now, look, this is what we got here. See, I was looking at this, and I didn't know where this went. And then I started, you know, poking around a little more, and I found that. So we're gonna have to do a real fix on that. I don't know where this goes. Okay, so that's ugly. I don't like that. And then what is this for now? Is this for this? Maybe, but this is looking all wonked. I need a wiring diagram, because I want to know where this goes now. And I want to know what's the story with this. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a little bit. Now, this is kind of leading me to believe here now that we got a spark issue, but we're gonna have to see. I mean, I'd get it to run, but when it would run, it would only run, you know, when I was like, you know, I gave it a little throttle, but if you just let it run, it would die. So I don't know, man. All right, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. We'll see where this goes. All right, guys, it's raining like crazy right now. So I don't really want to go and get tools because I don't have tools in here. I don't have like a lot of like diag stuff. So we're gonna do the dirty and fast way. See if we got spark. All right, we got spark. So, let's see if I have my compression stuff in here. I don't think so. Yeah, so the next thing to do would be to see. Shut this off. I'm getting shocked. You guys ever got shocked before by something like this? It's not fun. Alright, let's put this back. This looks pretty good. That looks like some pretty good sparky spark. So yeah, all we really have left, so we got spark, it's getting fuel to the carb, so I mean really all that's left is do we have compression? And if we have compression, then what's it called? If we have compression, then I'm gonna look into the carb a little bit more and see if we're getting fuel in there. But yeah, so we got spark. That's cool. Let's see if I can get this tight. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten this, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Maybe I'll go out in the rain and you know, try and get some more diag stuff. So we can see what's going on with this thing, cause where's the other little guy? Oh, here we go. All right. Gotta just start with the exhaust off. So alright guys, so well, there's your problem. Yeah, I'm missing the idle adjust screw on this carburetor, so I'm gonna try and find one, and we'll see if that could fix my idling problem. I think it just might. What do you guys think? All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit.